got the tail right here.
Over here.
You see it? What are you calling the other guy?
I was just calling the other guy.
There you go. There you go. Now he's gonna come out biting. Just watch out. We'll get him out in the open. We'll pull him out to this area here. Okay. Yeah, good job spotting him, man. He's a nice one too. He's not real aggressive. Oh, here he goes. There you go. Like a pro. Nicely done. Hey, that's what we're talking about. Yeah, he'll bite you. Brother, nice job.
Good job spotting him, man.
Yes, sir. What do we got there, Ward?
We have a Mike Kimball Python Cowboy Python. I mean, we've been searching the island for a while, man.
All damn night.
But you spotted him.
Yes,
and
sir.
I mean, look, when I got over here, I thought you had it by the head and you had it by the tail.
Yeah, I barely had it. It was in this grass here, and I was afraid if I let go of it to try to find the head, I was going to lose it. I mean, you seen, we had a hell of a time pulling it out of there.
What a beautiful animal. You know, it's a shame that we're in a place they're invasive, because you're like me, you wouldn't harm this snake for nothing in the world.
No, for sure. I love them, yeah.
But,
it's hard for me not to keep them all as pets, you know?
Yeah, but he's got to come. He's got to get out of it. So at least we got one, Mike.
Yeah.
Thank you for the experience.
Absolutely. Thank you.
I mean, it's just a blast, and I can see, man, it's a lot of work.
It is. A lot goes into it. It's not easy, especially hunting it like this. Most of the people, they take the easy route. They stay in the truck. They drive the roads. But that's not going to hit the problem where we really need to hit it. You know, we need to hit it out here, give our wildlife out here a fighting chance, and getting him out is going to do that.
Now, when she gets, or he or she gets off me, can you tell male or female?
I'll tell you right now. That's a male. You can tell by these big spurs here. Oh, here goes a little bit of poop for us. These spurs here, and this is actually both its penis is coming out right here.
Okay.
And then here's its spurs, and that's how you tell it's a male.
Well, we're gonna do it again, Mike.
Heck yeah.
I'm gonna have some. I'm gonna definitely have some guests that's gonna want to come enjoy the the anaconda hunt. But now that I've gotten this 8-footer, I think we can move up.
It sounds good. Get that 16-footer.